Are you okay?
Yay!
Hi. This is the yan na.
This
This
is
is the house tour.
we're 1 hour of SCP 3008.
We have the low ceiling aesthetic.
Asan ang door?
Um,
Asan ang
Go on,
glass door?
Sophia. We have the TV over. Oh wait, we have the hordes. 1 hour worth of food,
Sana
yeah.
half of it.
And then we have these huge ass TV.
yes.
Kuha
Oh,
ng TV.
light man nata yan.
Wait
And
lang,
then,
lalagyan na yung couch. Dito na lang ang couch.
yeah.
Ay, wow.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's so.
That makes so much sense,
Oh my
guys.
god. This is why young people have glasses nowadays, you guys.
You're the one to talk.
Okay, ready. This is our
Ang CR after.
okay. And then
I
si
like
Zai.
this.
Okay, privacy. Zai is pooping right now.
Grabe, okay.
Get that bitch out of this.
Oh!
Uy, how dare you? He was pooping in peace.
R.I.P. little buddy. And then I think this is a prison, you guys. I don't know what this is, but
Oh my god.
I think this is a huge ass prison. Okay. Oh, okay. Cabinet. Storage. Storage. This is storage. I-close mo na.
Hala, nawala si Sophia!
Oh, ito natin.
Nawala si Sophia!
Diba?
Thank God! Thank God! She's gone!
Yeah. I-block ko natin ang door.
She left.
She left the game?
Gone!
Yeah.
She left the
No.
game?
Oh, so we don't have to destroy the house.
Oh.
Yay.
Wait, let's
Ay,
go
oo nga, she
outside.
left. Okay.
Let's go outside. Really, she left the game? Oh, she's not gonna miss us. Ay, hindi ako makaakyat. Ayun. Okay, I don't know what this is, but okay. This is the sacrificial lamb area.
Oh. Oh.
Ay, ito ang nagawa.
Wow, minimalistic.
Hindi, kasi nagalagay siya ng maraming cabinets dito. Tapos ginatapon na namin ni Anika.
So, cabinets.
Whoa.
Hello? Oh.
That was
Can you guys hear
crazy.
me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's the house tour, you guys. Wala ng third floor.
Iron Man.
Ay, meron pala. Wala nagawa.
Ay,
May
merong third
butas.
It's a rooftop.
Under construction.
Ay, maganda sana rooftop, no?
Ay,
Sayang.
bito.
Oh
Uy,
man.
sayang. Okay, guys. We still made it for 1 hour. This is a great achievement, you know? Okay. Oh my god. Okay, this is the end of our room tour. Go back down,
Room
Zai.
tour. Saan?
This is
Ayan.
Anika.
Hello? Ay. Nasa baba lagi ka.
Balik kayo. Mag-line up kayo dito. Mag-line up kayo dito.
Line up?
Line up.
Where?
Yan, just, yeah, like that. Okay, go.
Is he, are you gonna
Hell
remove
yeah.
the door under us?
What? This is the end of our room tour.
Mali pa din yun.
What is that?
Ang daming technical difficulties. Oh my god. Okay.
Okay. Wait.
Yara, do something
What?
to me.
Woo!
Get away!
Uy, may worker ba yan na nakatago sa ilalim?
Oh, Jesus.
Oh no!
Ay, akala ko siya ang work.
Bad!
She's yellow.
Oh.
Like,
Are you saying that because she's Asian?
Uy! Nagkita ako sa phone ko for 1 second. Okay, nag-hurt na.
Naka-cellphone mo yan.
Let's end the video na. Uy!
No.
Hello.
Uy, unsa man ni? Don't destroy our creation.
Okay, I'm gonna put...
Let's turn off the lights. Okay.
Why? That's...
What?
Kasi like parang it's the end of an era daw or something.
Yes.
Are
And
you
when
okay?
Yeah.
go and beat it.
Oh, we can't turn
Okay.
this off. We can only turn it blue.
No, po, din siya
Throw
Okay.
it. Throw it out. Throw it out.
No, that's my fucking head right there, bitch. It's away from you.
Yan.
Oh, you can turn it off.
Ito
Ano ba
mo
to?
off to.
Ayan.
Yan.
Oh, it's just so dramatic.
Okay.
Oh, sige. Brown out.
Bye-bye. Bye to my followers. This is the end of our room tour. I
Yes.
hope you like it. Subscribe more for more room creations. Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye!
Bye. I'm gonna leave.
Subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Honestly, okay pa lang good ako mag-call. Pero like, sakit na yung likod and lubot.